Hello again to all digital marketers. I'm Anya, and today we're going to talk about ways that can change your email marketing routine for the better. As a user, I hate spam. As a marketer, I understand why emails land in spam. They were either sent to the wrong audience, composed poorly, or violated certain rules. Use our tips and your campaigns will get to users' inboxes, get opened and convert. So, we're starting with the rule number 1. Choose an email marketing service. Finding an email marketing service is the only way to get built an effective email marketing strategy. There are dozens and dozens of platforms. To make your choice easier, pay attention to the following features and options. Segmentation to personalize your email. Automation to automate the process. Built-in analytics and reports to keep in track of your progress. Comfortable template builder to customize your email. Positive reputation as an email service provider. Simple ways to comply with email regulations. We at SendPulse invite you for a trip across our service for free. Apart from the email marketing platform, we offer solutions for your website and messenger marketing. The next thing you as a marketer must do is segment your audience. We hope you aren't planning your email campaigns not knowing who is going to receive them. Define your target audience first. Then you might want to segment it by location, age, gender, job, position in the sales funnel, interests, purchase history, website activity. This way you will be able to send personalized campaigns and avoid being marked as spam or ignored. Our next recommendation would be to create an email routine. Invest time into planning your emails. Sending too many emails is bad. Sending them too seldom is bad. Knowing when you are going to send it, what you are going to send, and who is going to receive is good. Think of your marketing goals, create a marketing calendar, choose types of emails, and set the dates. That's not easy, but it's worth the result. Now, when everything is ready, start crafting your email. Tip number 4 is to work on your subject lines. You might be thinking that your email's content is what matters first. It does, but eventually it's pointless if your email doesn't even get opened. The users first see the subject line, and if it's catchy enough, they open your email. Going all caps lock or using two-word words like buy now, hurry, hot sale free is a highway to promotions or spam tabs. Try to sound less spammy by keeping your subject line more conversational and still catchy. Bonus tip: use pre-header text to your advantage. It goes right after the subject line. If it's been neglected, the subject line is followed by the text from your email. With SendPulse, you can edit your pre-header text so that the user can get the most information about your email without opening it. Next goes the email itself. Tip 5 would be to create a compelling email copy. Run through your inbox and look at the emails you have there. Which of them do you like and which you don't? Use the best practices for your campaigns. Make sure you concentrate on one topic in your email and correlate with your brand tone of voice. The images should be all device-friendly. Remember to make your CTAs engaging enough, be clearly visible in the email, and lead to a relevant offer. Another tip here is not to overload your email with links, as your email might look spammy. Stick to not more than 2 links, including the unsubscribe link. A/B testing is our tip number 6. Also known as split testing, A/B testing allows you to determine which email performs better. This is an irreplaceable thing for, say, holiday campaigns. With A/B testing, you will be able to find a better subject line, a catchier CTA, and more engaging email text. Remember to test one variable at a time for each A/B test. This way you will get an email that will improve your campaign performance. The next thing to do is automate. Automation turns your emails into highly targeted messages. You can set drip campaigns if the user completed a preset condition, opened, clicked, purchased, visited a webinar. This way, you won't need to spend all your time constructing emails. Just set up the flow and forget about it. Here comes tip 8. Analyze. You need to know how your campaign went. Not just any, but every campaign. How many emails got opened? How many didn't? How many users clicked on your CTA? How many marked your emails as spam? These small steps eventually draw a big picture of how successful your email marketing is and what you should improve or remove at all. Consider tracking these metrics. Click-through rate to check how many users clicked on the CTA in your email. Conversion rate to check how many users completed the desired goal, a purchase, visiting a website, subscribing to your social media page. Bounce rate, how many emails failed to send. Open rate, how many emails got opened. Unsubscribes, number of users who got left your mailing list. Deliverability, the rate at which emails reach your intended subscribers' inboxes. With SendPulse, you can track your individual campaign performance and get some analysis of several campaigns you choose to compare. Rule number 9. Comply with the rules. Unfortunately, email marketing isn't about creativity only. There are rules you must obey to have a successful email marketing business. Have you heard about canned spam or GDPR? That's what I'm talking about. This is to give your readers the right to choose whether they want to hear from you. Remember to include the unsubscribe button in your emails. Also be careful about the personal data you gather and use permission-based marketing. And our final tip, be mobile friendly. 81% of emails are opened on mobile. Imagine getting a confirmation email, but the button is too small to tap or is absent. You don't want that, so remember to preview your email's desktop and mobile versions before you hit send. Looks like that's it for today. Found this video useful? Press like, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss updates in the world of email marketing.